Ruby. Welcome back to Ruby's Toys R Us. How is everybody doing? I hope you guys liked my last video. I liked my last video. I thought it was very, very fun and cool because you're gonna have to find out and watch for yourself if you haven't. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for subscribing. And if you aren't new to my channel, keep liking, keep commenting, and please keep sharing. Also, what do we have today? We have another Lego video. So we have the car wash video. Lego piece, Lego set, sorry. And it comes with 243 pieces, okay? This is the most I ever done, okay? Let me tell you that. So this is the front cover. And the side. And of course we have the back. And I can't wait to dive into this one. Like, you guys do not understand how long I've been waiting to open this one. We open it this way. And I believe it comes with two figurines. Okay? The lady and the guy. Oh my god, this is so big. I might have to guess. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Alright guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 tires, okay? And we have 2 templates. So this shall be very, very interesting to do. And of course, it starts us off with our base. This, okay? Oops, of this, okay? Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a lot. But I'm here for the long haul. I hope you guys are too. So grab a snack if you need to, and let's go. And then we got our first person in here. Oh my god. That's a lot of pieces. We gotta make sure we don't lose none of them. Alright? Come on out. Jesus, where do we start? Oh man. This is about 2. We gotta make it. I have a feeling we will. So. Alright. Well, we already know we're gonna start off with our Lego woman. So, let's open this up. This is very late for a lot of pieces. Alright, so we got our pants. These are really cute. I like this baby blue or sky blue color. And I also like her shirt. It's with pineapple on it. How cute is that? She seems cheerful. Yeah, she looks like she's ready to go to work. Alright. And she's definitely pretty. It's a pretty Lego. Alright. Alright, so you need 1 of these. And you need 2 of these. Or look like we're putting them right here in the front area. Right? Then we're gonna take this piece, put it right here. Take this piece, put it right here. So now it should be looking like this. Now we need 1 of these to go right here. Right there. Like that. And then we need this piece here to go right here. Then we need this. And this one. Just 1. Alright. Now we need this piece here. And it's going right on top of here. Okay. And we need this leaf, 1 leaf. And 1 little flower. 1 yellow flower. Oops. Oh no. I have another one, right? Yes, I do. I'll find that one later. Alright. We're looking like this, guys. Now 8 is pretty simple. It's pretty simple. But we're gonna make sure we go slow. We don't miss anything up. Alright, so you need one of these pieces. So you need a dark blue, a light blue piece, and you're gonna put them on top of each other. Now I'm gonna put this piece, just one, put that on top of it. This white piece, put it on top. And this other gray piece, and put it on top. Like that. Then lastly, put it on top of here. Alright, so we need this piece here. We need one blue one. We're putting it right in the middle. We need 2 of these gray ones right here. We're turning them over, and we're putting them on the back. Like that. Okay, so now we need 2 of these pieces, 2 of these, 2 of these, and the steering wheel, and this blue thing. Okay, so for this one, I want us to turn it over, put it right here. Okay, now with these ones, we gotta put them on the end. Like that, okay? And then our steering wheel is going, oops, so slippery, okay. Going right here, and this piece here is going at this end. So you should be looking like this, that's your base, okay? Okay, so now we need 2 of these green ones here, and 2 of these green ones here, and then we need 2 of these yellow ones. Okay, so now what I want us to do is to put these on the side, put this on top of this one, and do the same for the other side. Like that. And we're gonna pick a yellow piece, do it just like this. Now, we need 2 of these, 1 of this, and 2 of these. Alright, so we're gonna take this side, this one, right here. And then put the other one on this side right here. Like that. And now we're taking this piece, this brown piece, right here in the middle. And we're gonna put these green pieces right here. So now we're looking like this. Okay. You know what I always do though? I always get these wrong. So I'm gonna fix it and then we'll move on. See, I fixed it. So you want these back here, not up here. That was my first mistake I made, so don't make the same one I did, okay? Alright, so we need this piece here. I'm gonna face it towards me. And we need 2 of these red little pieces right here. And it looks like this is going right here. These red pieces, right here. And this black piece is going right in the middle. And I forgot to show you guys that we had stickers. Well, we only have 2, so it's telling me it's number 2 for the sticker, and it looks like it's a license plate, so we're gonna take this off and put it right on here. There we go. And we're going to put it right in the back here, like that, just like that. So far, so good. Alright, so step 13, we need a gray piece, 1 of these, just one of these. And step 14, we just need this yellow piece right here. Okay, so for step 13, it's telling me to do that. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Alright. Do like that. And then step 14 is telling me to face this yellow piece this way. Just like that. Beautiful, right? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so step 15 is telling me I need 2 of these yellow ones. And we're gonna put them on the back here. Like that. Like that. And then I need the other 2 for the front. For the front, 1 blue, put it in the middle. One should be looking like this now. Okay. And then now, 18, we need 2 green ones, and then 1 right here, just like before. For the back. Now we're in the front. We're almost done with our car. Come on, not bad. There we go. Nice. Okay, so now we have another green piece like this. We just need 1. And we have 2 clear pieces. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we need 2 of these to go right here. And then we need this piece, 1 of these, to put it right here in the middle. And then it wants us to put it right here for the front. So now we need 1 of these. Same thing we're doing for the front. So we're just doing that, like that. Just like that. And then for 21, we need 1 red piece and 2 of these black ones. And this red piece, make sure we're going the right way, right here. Red piece going right here, and this black piece is going right here. Alright, so we need 1 yellow piece, just this 1, and we want to put it right here. Right here. And I'm making these 2 clear pieces. Or go like this. Like that. And then our last piece is our roof. And our tires, which I already have done for us. So. Alright, so we got our tires. They're already done for us, so we just gotta snap them on. It's a cute little car. And we are all set. And we'll top it off. We got our water machine in our truck and our lady. So I'm gonna put her on top here, just for now, okay? Alright. So we got step 1 done. Now it's on to step 2. So we're on back 2. I'm gonna need this, and I already got my pamphlet open. So let's open this back 2. Head almost escaped, but I caught her just in time. Alright, so we're gonna make our figure. Let's put your head on before it tries to escape again. Okay. You're like that. Got his hat. We got his pants. And we got his little brush. His little sweeper. I meant not brush, you know what I mean, guys. His little broom. Alright. Leave that. Yep. Alright, so let's try to Oh, these are fuzzy. These feel really nice. Okay. And this part is rubbery too. Okay. So I'm trying to clear this. Alright, so we need 2 of these ones. So I'm going to have to put it at the corner. Okay. So we need 2 of these white ones with the holes. 2 of these, and we're going right here on the outer part. And then now we need 4 of these black thingies here. So 1, 2, 3. And 4. Alright. Okay, now we need 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these. We're putting these ones right here. Putting these ones right here. And these go right here. Okay, so we need 4 of these, 1 of this, okay, and we're gonna need 8 of these. Okay, so this is telling me to go right here. Now we need 8 of these, like I said, and go like this. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Okay. We should be looking like this. Telling me this is for 9. So I need 2 of these red thingies. 2 of these thingies right here. And 2 of these. So telling me to put this in there like that. Right? And then want me to push it like that. And it wants it to go this way. Like this. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. So. Like that. Cool. Alright, so 10 is saying I need 2 of these fuzzy things, 2 of these long gray ones, and 2 of these red thingies here, 2 of these yellow things here, and then 6 of these white, like plus sign ones. Okay, so step 1 is to grab one of these red ones, put it in here, grab one of these white ones, put it on there, 2 times. Okay. Okay, so I think we need 2 on each, right? Or 3 on each? I'm confused, guys. Oh, okay, I get it. And push this like that. So I did it. And then, what are we doing with this? I'm putting it right here. Like that. Cool, okay. I got it now. Cool. That's cool. Okay. Alright guys, it seems like we're on bag number 3 now. And I'm gonna have to see what's gonna go next, because okay. So let's see. Okay. So for bag number 3, I'm getting this one here, just one of this, and a red of that one, and a green of this one. But before I can do that, I need to know how to do this. So I'm trying to figure this out, because how did we get this? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do this first. Well, I can't do nothing. I mean, I can do these right now. Let me do these right now. And figure out the rest. Because it didn't tell me. And number 2. So we have to figure this out ourselves. Which seems like we're gonna be fine. Okay. And it looks like we have 2 of these, right? And then we have one going this way. Right? And then we have this one going this way as well, if I'm guessing. And then figure it out. Okay. Alright, so we need 4 of these. And we need 2 of these. Okay. So now, turn it around. Well, before we turn it around, what am I doing? Lucas wants us to do it on top like this. Like that, and then we turn it around, and we put this one. That's on this side like that, and this one. Am I doing this wrong again? Because maybe I'm doing it the opposite way. Okay, we're gonna fix it. Okay, so we need one black long stick here, one red one going on the other end, like that, or like that, and then we want to slide this piece up. We need one of these white pieces to slide up, like this, like that, and then for step 3, we need one going like that. We need these things going like this. Like that. a white piece on the end here. And another red piece like this. Alright. And then now we need 2 blue pieces like this to go in like that. Like this. Now we need 2 little red tubes like this. Then we're gonna put them right here. Like that. And then we need 2 more red pieces like this to put like that. Oh my goodness. I gotta pick that piece up, but there we go. There we go. And then we need these beige pieces that's going like this. Let's go and like that. There we go. And then lastly, for 25, we just need 2 of these white ones to go on the ends. Like that. I'm gonna turn this around and have this going like this. Oops. Like that. I don't know why it's giving me uneven vibes, but that's what it is giving me right now. But yeah, I don't know why that is. Maybe it's because it's this one too little. I think that's why. I gotta fix this. Thought I had a tall one. Oh. Then I do not know what's going on. I gotta fix it again. Okay, so we need 2 of these. And before we do that, we're gonna push these through. That's one. And there's 2. Now we need 2 of these white ones and 2 of these blue ones. And we're gonna put them right here at the end, like that. And 2 of these go on top. Now we need 2 of these, and we have 4 of these. So, like this go in the middle, and this one go on the end. And that's our car wash right there. And final bag. Number 4. There we go. big pieces here. So far, how's it going, guys? Are you guys enjoying this video? If you are, please like already if you are feeling it. I would love that. Got these little bubbles, these little suds. Cute are these. I'm gonna open those later until I feel like I need to. Alright, so tell me, I need one. It's just that. I need one of those. 1, 2 is telling me I need these big long pieces. Okay, and this is going on top. This blue piece is going right on top. Like this. And I need another blue piece to go right on the bottom. Simple, right? Alright, so now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna do 2 of these white ones. And we're gonna put them right in the center. Right there. Okay. We need 1 long gray one and 2 of these solid blue ones. Okay, we're gonna flip right back over, putting this right here. Okay. Alright. I'm probably gonna do the same thing with the other side, I think. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so telling me I need 2 of these to go at the end here, okay? And then I need 2 of these. Like that. And 1 solid piece to go right in the middle. Alright, so we need 2 of these big blocky thingies here. And we're gonna put them sideways. Okay, so now we need. Okay, so we need 2 of these. Where's my little circle? So here they are. So I think these are white ones. Oh, white ones? I think it's just white one. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, they're probably in here. Duh. I need 2 of these. 2 of these. And 2 of these ones. 2 of these black ones. Okay, so it's telling me to put this like that. And have this on top. And I place it here. Do the same thing. Voila. So we have 1 of these gray ones again, and 1 of these black ones again. Right? Now, we're gonna use this piece that is telling us to do that. Right? And we forgot 1 more piece. Where are you? Here you are. This piece. And we're gonna put it on the end on this side. And then have these 2 blue pieces facing each other. Like that. And then we're gonna have this one at the end, this other blue one at the end. So we should be looking like that. Like this. And then it looks like we're gonna put it right here, right next to this. There we go. Okay, same thing, I guess. So this piece again, this piece is going on the end here, We need this again. This one's going on this end right here. Like that. Okay. Now we need two of these, two of the yellow ones, and two fans. Alright, so it's going this way. And it seems to me that these are going like this. Like that. So we need this long piece right here. And we need 4 of these black ones, okay? And we're gonna put this one here, this one here, and move you there, this one here, this one here. Okay, so we need this piece and our only sticker left right here. Let's do this and put you there. Okay, and then step 46, we need 2 of these things right here to go right here. And 2 of these white ones, these big white ones right here. Now we need 2 of these, and this is going to overlap on here like that. Like that. And then we need 4 of these little circle thingies. We're going to put one here, one right here, one right here, and the last one to go right here. It looks like it goes right there, but then it goes right here. Like that. Oh, come on. Like that. And then, step 50. This. We need this on this side to go right here. Okay, I feel like we should have put this on there first and then did this, but hey, just gotta keep following the guide here. Alright. There we go. How cool is that? Oh my god, this is so cool. Loving it. Grab my car lunch. And so we're facing it this way. And this is going on top. Like that. Oh my god, it's so dope. This is so cool, guys. Oh my god. And then our bubbles, of course. I guess our bubbles look like they connect, but I think they go like right here. this. Wish they connected on something. That would have been great. That is dope, guys. What? That is dope.
Hello guys, it's Izzy. No, I haven't been in videos for a while, but I hope that you guys liked the video that Ruby gave for you guys. This is her favorite set that she currently owns. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know she did, and I know you guys will too. But please like, comment, subscribe to Ruby's Toys R Us and become part of the fam. And see you guys later.